Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel European Hair Fashion. I hope you are fine and doing good. First of all, I would like to tell you that in my videos I'll show you trendy haircuts, hair dye and hairstyle ideas all over the world which makes you look more presentable. If you want to see the latest haircuts, hair colors and hairstyle ideas, friends, then watch my videos till the end. And do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon that you will be notified by my new videos. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you Fox Pixie haircuts. Guys, this is very pretty and very classy haircut as you've seen in the pictures. For more information, please watch it till the end so that you do not miss any haircut and hair dye idea. And if you want to get this look, take a screenshot of a haircut or color which you want. By saving the picture, you can easily get this look from any parlor. Guys, this is very classy look and this is very informative video for you, so please watch it till the end. And after watching the video, you guys must throw a comment in the comment section that you like my video, my channel, and suggest to me some good ideas for haircuts, hair colors which you want. I will be very happy to follow your comments and I will make a video for you. Thank you so much guys for trusting me. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you like my videos, share my videos on your social media accounts. Share it with your friends so that you do not miss any haircut or hairstyle idea. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon that you will be notified by my new videos. And if you like my videos, share my videos on your social media accounts. Share it with your friends so that they can visit my YouTube channel and watch the amazing videos and get amazing ideas for haircuts and hair colors. I'll continue making more informative videos. Guys, please watch and support my videos and hit the bell icon that you will be notified by my new videos. Guys, please share my videos